Hello, my name is Jungmin An, and I practice East Asian medicine in Washington State. I have been practicing acupuncture specializing in pain relief for 12 years. I will share how circulation impacts pain and the principle of pain relief. Is pain good or bad? It's good because it gives us attention to prevent further damage. Pain is a protective mechanism. It's bad because it hurts. How do we think about pain? Positively or negatively? You may think it hurts, it's horrible, but you can make a choice to think, I appreciate body gives me signal to take care of myself before further damage. The fact is the same, pain, but it's your choice how you perceive about pain. I believe a strong connection in between body and mind. If you clear the negative mind, it impacts on your body positively. In Korean proverb, 통즉 불통, 불통 즉통, pain means improper circulation, no pain means proper circulation. So let's dig into artery, nerve, vein, and lymph circulation. Artery contains oxygen and nutrients. If you have a good blood flow, your cell is intact and happy. But if you have a blocked flow with a high cholesterol with a plaque inside the vessel, your cells do not have enough blood supply to function. If you have a swelling from outside blood vessel, which is external fluid swelling, it pushes the vessel from outside and narrow the blood vessels as well. So we need to take care of artery inside and out. As you can see the arrow, with a blocked blood flow, it can move backward or create a sore movement. It irritates blood vessels, causing pain. If decline of blood supply continues, cells can die or turn into a deep cell like a cancer cell to attack another cell to survive. This blocked blood flow becomes a burden to the heart because heart needs to pump more to supply the blood. Nerves act like an electrical system for a car, sending signal to transmission, temperature control, even autopilot. It controls the function of the car. Likewise, a nerve controls the whole body's function. But if there is a muscle tightness or swelling from outside, the nerve is compressed and cannot send the signal properly to ending cells. Nerve is like a wireless signal. When there are words between your wireless router at home, the wireless signal can diminish in strength. Apply this to nerves. When our nerves are not parallel with the same membrane, it can cause signal blockage. It can be diminishing or deflecting. A large part of information from our brain cannot be delivered properly to the ending cells. From my clinical experience, more than 60% of pain is from nerve compression. When nerve is compressed, you experience radiating pain, numbness, or weakness of muscle. Therefore, making a smooth nerve flow is the key for pain relief. Vein contains metabolic waste and carbon dioxide. It's kind of dirty blood. Vein is only moved by muscle contraction. If your muscle is tight or has inflammation with swelling, It blocks the vein flow. In turn, you may have a vein distension like a varicose vein. Since vein goes the one-way direction towards heart, if it blocks around the neck area, dirty blood can accumulate in the head. It causes a headache. When you touch your head, if your head is tight, it indicates this issue. When circulation gets better, your head will become soft like a baby. Applying this principle, I hardly fail to treat a headache or migraine, no matter how severe and how many years. And I say to patient, no headache is good life. Lymph contains toxins and waste from immune function. It's like a sword system in the body. It is only moved by the muscle contraction like a vein. When muscle is contracted, it squeezes towards lymph towards heart in a one-way direction. Then lower membrane is closed to prevent backflow when squeezing. If you have a good lymph circulation with less volume and pressure inside lymph vessel, external fluid can enter into the lymph vessel to drain lymph properly. But when muscle has swelling or tightness or lack of exercise, lymph system cannot be functioning well. In turn, the swelling can happen because lymph going outside the vessel instead of going inside to drain it. Toxin accumulation can happen because toxins and waste cannot drain and accumulate inside lymph vessels or lymph nodes. It's like constipation in a digestive tract. Imagine you cannot go to the bathroom for a week. Now, how do we take care of pain? Redirect and balance. Imagine that you call 911 because your house is being robbed one afternoon. Emergency services come and police around that location. 10 police cars arrive with their sirens on. Just think of the traffic. Too much or too fast blood flow from injury and pain creates a traffic jam in the blood flow around the pain's location. This leads to swelling. So, what about we use this mechanism? We send a signal to the brain, like 911 operators, by stimulating another part of the body using pain relief tools that you received. Once circulation is given to the body, your brain commands the blood and nerve to check that area. It redirects blood flow from pain's location to another part of body and distribute the blood flow. As you can see in the chart, neck blood flow and pain can redirect to forearm, ear, hand, and foot. It balances the blood and energy flow throughout the body. This is a principle for acute pain condition. Send a signal to brain to pay attention to a chronic condition. Our brain has a lot of tasks like maintaining cardiovascular, lung, digestive, or muscular systems. It's like our life, working, housework, paying bills, taking care of children, etc. Everything is important. But when it gets so busy, no important matters can be missed. If you have a pain for a long time, your body does not pay attention. Therefore, we need to give a signal to the brain by stimulation with tools to pay attention of that area that has chronic pain condition. We are from one sperm and one egg. with a replication process, this cell is growing into organs or systems. As you can see in the right picture, when one cell divides into two cells, it also duplicates the DNA info. This means even one single cell contains a whole body DNA information. This is why we can do DNA tests with a single hair. Likewise, each body part, as you can see in the chart, represents the whole body. For example, by stimulating the red check mark area, it can affect your neck even without touching the neck itself. You will learn more about this on the next video, which is a pain relief formula. To summarize, 1. Unblock the artery and nerve flow. 2. Unblock the vein and lymph flow. 3. Redirect and balance. 4. Send a signal to pay attention. 5. Utilize the body's interconnection. Now please watch the pain relief formula and toolkit video to know where and how to use this principle. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Silver Lake Clinic to stay updated. Thank you for watching.